Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show how to finish our application, the main logic for the application. In the last video I showed how we get the cat for voting and how we are voting for cats. And here we have the vote history, current round cats. So imagine a lot of people are voting for the current round cats. Other people or the same people are uploading other cats for the next round, and I just added two cats for the next round. And the week is ended and we have to select the winner. Let's write the logic for selecting the winner. Okay, let me open again the cron job. We need to find the winning cat. Let me open the cat queries and write select winning cat. Okay, and how we can select the winning cat. Again, my suggestion is to select all cats from the current round cats. Let's transform to current round cats because they are current round cats. Okay, let me just write for cat dog and all cat dogs. Okay, cat dog dot id, and we will spread the dictionary. Okay, and we receive it all cats which are current round cats, and cat with highest score will be max, and here all cats we will use the built-in function max which receive few arguments. Okay, and here the key is lambda cat dot likes subtracted by cat dislikes. Okay, and we will return cat with the highest score. Okay, and here we will await select winning cat. When we selected the winning cat, we need to write, so this will be the cat of the week. Okay, so let's import, but I think I don't wrote them for now. Yes, so we have to provide the models for cat of the week base. So let's write cat of the week base, which will inherit from base cat module, if you remember from our class diagram. Excuse me. And here we will have likes, dislikes, but right now they will be not equal to 0 since we already have some values. Okay, and here we will have week number which is integer, and year, for which year this cat will be the cat of the week. Okay, we have the cat of the week base. Now let me write cat of week create, we will inherit from this one. And class cat of the week. And I think for in this episode we will not need this module, but let's just add it, and id is the string. Okay, so let's import cat of the week create, and here the cat yes, current round cat of the week is equal to cat of the week create week number. So we need to receive the week number. For that I'm executing this logic because cat of the week will be the cat of the current of the next week. For example, this week is the current week, and current round cats is going the voting for them. For the next round we upload this week for the next round cats, and from our previous week, whatever cat won the previous week will be the cat of the week of this week. So on Monday we will execute this task, and we have to take the week number, day week number of, not the day week number, excuse me, of the week number. For example, if we are in the first week in the year, it is the first week, second week, so we have to receive the week number. So here I will import from date time, I will import time, date, excuse me, not time. And let's write the logic. Current date is equal to date dot today. Okay, and we need the ISO calendar, which is current date dot ISO calendar. And from here, from this ISO calendar, we will receive ISO calendar dot week, because this returns the ISO calendar date and the week number, and week date and year, but we will use the week and year. Okay, so let me grab and the year. Year is equal to ISO calendar dot year, and we will split winning cat dot module dump. Okay, and we receive the cat of the week, and right now we have to write the query for inserting the cat of the week. Again, we will go here, and we need here this cat of the week create and cat of, but we will not return anything for now from this function. And here cat data is cat of the week create. Okay, and here we have to write okay, and here we will need a new cat of the week dictionary is equal to cat data module dump. Okay, new cat of the week ref is equal to cat of the week ref document, and we will await this new cat to set up its dictionary data. Okay, we will take this. Okay, and let's await insert cat of the week. Okay, and we wrote the logic of inserting cat of the week, and we have to delete all the current round cats because everything is finished. Okay, so I will just open this function and I will copy it because it will be similar, and I will just change it to current round cat, and here we will receive a not list. Here I will receive nothing because we will select everything. Okay, and here I need the cat IDs, which is equal to doc ID, I think, for docking current round gets to all the cats. You can see we received them, and here delete tasks. Again, we will just change to okay for cat ID. Okay, let me just check. Okay, so we select everything from current round cat ref. Okay, we receive only the IDs, cat IDs. We write the delete task. Okay, and we gather all the tasks. Okay, let me import this and await delete all the cats. And what we are doing? First, we are starting the job. We select the winning cat. We take the current date and week. We create the module for the cat of the week. Create. Then we insert that cat of the week. We delete. Excuse me, so not this current round. Okay, just I was on a way to make a mistake, but I didn't make it. Okay, so select out next round and make them current round cats and delete the next round cats. And we are ready for the new round. Okay, so before to finish, I want just to install Black. Okay, Black is a formatter. Let me just add PyDash changes. Let me close this and start with Black cron jobs. Okay, Black image recognition, Black models, okay, Black queries, okay, Black routers, Black storage, Black utils, Black config, Black db, Black main, and Black sa dot. Okay, so what Black is doing, it's formatting the code. Okay, so we are done. Okay, thank you for the attention.